Hey y'all, and welcome back to Smoothie Mondays. Today, we are going to be making our favorite smoothie. This smoothie is our strawberry banana smoothie. Of course, we have our 2 cups of orange juice. We got 2 bananas, and then we have our bowl of strawberries. This smoothie is quick and easy and delicious, so let's get started. We're going to take our 2 bananas and break them, of course. Put them in our blender, then our strawberries. Y'all let us know in the comments what's y'all favorite go-to smoothie. Okay? And then, of course, our 2 cups of orange juice. This is a good source of vitamin C. Alright? Then slap our lid on there and give it a blend. Alright, so we got it all blended up. We're going to go ahead and pour it in our container. And this is a good smoothie after the gym or really any time of the day. And if y'all like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next Monday, peace.